How to change text color in Photopea. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can change text color in Photopea. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Photopea, and if you have your text in your edit piece, now if you're wondering to change the color of this text, what you have to do is first of all select the text on your interface. So once you have selected your text, navigate to this toolbar at the top. There is a color section, click on it. Now you can change the color from this color picker here. Select your desired color, and if you want to change a little bit, you can use this dragger right here, and you could also do that. So once you have your preferred color, all you have to do is click on OK at the color picker. And there you go, now text color has been changed. As you can see here. That's it. That's how you can change the text color on Photopea, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.